The recent events regarding the inability to log into my Facebook profile prompted me to check the password I use and create a stronger one. So what kind of password should you create? In short, it's necessary to use both uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, special characters, and the password should be longer than 8 characters. I'll also make a video with more detailed instructions on how to create a secure password. Let me first show you how to change your password on Facebook. Open the Facebook application on your phone and tap on your profile picture. Then, access settings by clicking on the gear icon. Since a few years ago, additional settings for Facebook accounts are managed within the Meta Accounts Center. Open See More in Accounts Center and click on Password and Security. Press Change Password. Here, I have only one account, so I'll select it, but if you have multiple accounts, choose the one for which you want to change the password. To change the old password, first enter your current password in the first text field, then create a new password and type it in the new password field. Repeat the new password entry in the Retype New Password field. Remember your new password. After entering the required information, click on the Change Password button and your password will be updated. If you've forgotten your old password, you can reset it using another method by clicking on Forgot Your Password. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe to our channel, Your Digital Friend, and become part of our digital family.